Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is a pretty but simple glam makeup look with a touch of neon, using the new Naughthy palette from Huda Beauty and the volume 3 and 4 of Norvina. But before we jump into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As always, I'm going to start with my eyes and I'm going to prep my eyelids with the Born This Way concealer in Cloud. I'm going to use the Born This Way setting powder in translucent to set the concealer in place and have like a smooth canvas for my eyeshadows. I'm going to start using the Naughthy Nudes palette from Huda Beauty, and first I'm going to grab the color Rough. I'm going to apply it very lightly all over the crease. Then, with a pencil brush, I'm going to use the color Spicy to accentuate a little bit more the crease. Now with my finger, I'm going to apply the color Flower Power. In the pan, looks like a marble gold silver color, but as soon as you apply it, it turns into a gorgeous kind of cool gold shade. Using my Wet n Wild Breakup Proof eyeliner, I'm going to do a simple wing. Now I'm going to grab the Norvina Volume 4 palette and I'm going to mix this neon yellow color with a little bit of the Duraline oil from Inglot to create a kind of a eyeliner consistency. Then with a small detail brush, I'm going to outline the upper part of my wing. Moving to the complexion, I'm using the Huda Beauty Stick Foundation in the color Milkshake. It's my first time using this foundation and so far, in my opinion, it's not that full coverage like the Hourglass Stick Foundation, but it's buildable, blends out really easily, and the finish is not dewy, but it's not powdery either. It's just like that natural finish. For concealer, I'm going to use the same one that I used to prep my eyelids, the Born This Way concealer in the color Cloud. For contour and to bring back a little bit of color and definition to my face, I'm going to use my favorite lately, the Fenty Beauty Match Stix in the color Amber. To set my face, I'm going to use the same Born This Way translucent powder that I used before. Now I'm going to use the bronzer and blush of this Cover FX Perfector face palette. To finish the eyes, I'm going to use the Norvina Volume 3 palette, and I'm going to use this neon orange color, and I'm going to mix it with the Duraline product as well. And I'm going to use it to outline the bottom part of the wing. My camera died, so sorry about the change. Now with an angle brush, I'm going to use the same orange color and I'm going to smoke it out in the lower lash line. And with the same brush, I'm going to grab a little bit of the yellow, the neon yellow that I used before, and I'm going to blend it out very softly underneath the orange. For highlighter, I'm going to use another one of my favorites lately, which is this Brightener color from the Cover FX palette. I love this highlighter because it's like an intense cool tone, but without being chunky or powdery. It's kind of like it melts to your skin. For mascara, I'm using the liquid lash extensions from Thrive Causemetics. Once again, I'm going to use my eyeliner, and what I'm going to do is to fix a little bit my wing, because when I was doing the outline with the neon colors, I just like messed it up a little bit and I want it to pop up again. And finally, for my lips, I'm going to use the Beauty Bakerie lip gloss in the color Drive Me Glazy. And here is the complete look. I hope you enjoyed this video, quick tutorial as much as I did. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!